It is the Cool Tool Tuesday of Cool Tool Tuesdays. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, I just want to say welcome. We're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome along with everybody else. Now today's video, this is a big deal today because we're giving something away. It's the second annual holiday tool giveaway. This is just my way of saying thank you. We are so appreciative here of you guys out there. The folks on Patreon that support this channel. I'm very thankful for all the people that purchase a cup of coffee for me. That means so much. But what I think I appreciate more than anything is the people that comment in the comments below, and then you guys, I cannot answer everyone's question. You guys chime in and say, you know what, you could do it this way, or you need to do that, or I think it's done that way. I love this community, and I really appreciate every one of you that come and contribute to seejanedrill. So this is my time of year where I can give back, and I got to tell you this tool is pretty hip. You know, we sat around the office today trying to think of what we wanted to give away, and I knew that it had to be something really different and really something geared toward the DIYer, and I think I found it. I can almost guarantee you've never heard of this tool. It's called the Matrix, and it's a combo set of tools, but it's done in an ingenious way. It's like having a shop full of tools in one tool. Now this thing has a drill, a sander, a jigsaw, an oscillating multi-tool, a router, and an impact driver all in one tool. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So you're probably wondering the most important thing, and that is, Leah, I want in. How can I enter? And I gotta tell you this, it's simple. All you have to do is comment in the comments below and tell me where you're from. Like seejanedrill, we come to you from Seattle, Washington. Well, I want to know where you're from, okay? If you're in Iceland, I want to hear about it. If you're in Seattle, right around the corner, say, hey, Leah, howdy, neighbor. Maybe you're in the Pitcairn Islands, and I don't even know if I pronounced that right. I'm sure the people in the UK are going to tell me, Leah, you were way off on that one. But the point is, no matter where you're watching seejanedrill from, I'm going to make certain that if you win the Matrix, I'm going to get it to you. What I'll do is I'll place a link in the description below to the full contest rules, along with a link to the Matrix, the tool, so you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.